After Michael died, after Michael was murdered, she sent me text messages. She said they are state contracts. She said they have affidavits. This was a total of 3 contracts for an amount of $28,000. Michael Brandon was my only son, and I loved him and so adored him. To this day, this vile being has showed no remorse, none whatsoever. Natalie Cochran and her family have never said they were sorry. We have no choice but to watch in the courtroom with repulsion as she smiles and banters with her family and friends, just like she doesn't have a care in the world. Natalie's parents only lost $76,000, and her sister Penny only lost about $50,000. She stole $250,000 from us, and she stole hundreds of thousands of dollars from her other victims as well. We, along with our family and friends, have sat quietly and graciously and painfully watched and listened as Michael's good name has been murdered time and time again by those who publicly defend this murderer. We respectfully ask this court, in the memory of our beloved and precious son, Michael Brandon Cochran, to delay for as long as judicially allowed the day that this cold-blooded murderer once again walks among us. Evil, for reasons only evil knows, took it upon herself to steal from us and the world. We ask this court that Natalie Cochran be sentenced to life in the state prison for the rest of her natural life, with no pardon, no mercy, and no deals. This evil, narcissistic sociopath intentionally and knowingly pre-planned and committed first-degree premeditated murder, stealing the life of our son, Michael Brandon Cochran. The word no was not spoken or heard of in her world. She will try to blame my precious son Michael for her evilness and deceit. Natalie may even shed a tear or two, but we have now come to know that every word coming out of Natalie Cochran's mouth will just be another lie, and her tears will be fake tears trying to get sympathy from your court. Judge, please don't fall for her con. She only cares about herself. She will use, abuse, and manipulate anyone to get in her way. But we know the real Natalie Cochran, the thief, the liar, the taker of life, and the doer of evil deeds. Michael Brandon even told Natalie, in his presence and in my presence at a funeral, "Don't you ever put me in hospice." But what did she do? She went against his wishes and put him in hospice. We have been waiting almost 6 years for justice for Michael. All of the evidence and the proven facts and her conviction are enough to sentence Natalie Cochran to life in prison with no mercy. We ask that you please, no mercy. She never gave Michael any mercy.
Questions, Your Honor?
All right, cross-examination.
Watch more of these shorts in our playlist titled Deep. It's damn near a crime to miss out.